Good morning, dear students. This is my second video of noun. In my first video, I had taught you noun and its kinds. Today, I am going to discuss noun case. So, what is a case? Case is the form of a noun that shows its use in a sentence. Means how a noun is used in a sentence, whether as the subject or object or to show possession. Case further divided into four parts: nominative, objective, possessive and vocative. Nominative, also known as subjective case. Objective, again divided into two parts: dative case and accusative case. So let's discuss nominative case or subjective case. Nominative case or subjective case. It means when a noun is used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Subject of the verb. Okay. For example, Jack will sing the song. Jack here is subject. It is a noun and it is used as a subject here. Sing is a verb, so it is used as a subject of the verb. Ram plays cricket. Ram is a subject, plays is a verb, cricket is the object, and here Ram is a noun and it is used as a subject of the verb plays. Next we have objective case. Objective case means when a noun is used as an object of verb in a sentence. Let's understand it with an example. Srijan goes to the park. Srijan, it is subject and it is noun here. Goes, it is a verb. Park, here it is an object. So here park, it is object and it is a noun and it is used as an object of the verb goes. Then objective case, it is further divided into two parts: dative case and accusative. What is dative case? Dative case means it shows the indirect object of a verb. Dear students, in a sentence, we have a subject, verb and object. But there is indirect object also. Indirect object of a verb is the recipient of the direct object. So let's understand dative case with an example. Example of dative case. For example, he gave an assignment. If we look at this sentence up to assignment, I am hiding here to me. He gave an assignment. Here he is the subject, gave is a verb, assignment is direct object. Okay. He gave an assignment to me. So here me is the indirect object. Means he gave an assignment. What he gave? He gave an assignment. And who is the receiver of that assignment? Me. Me is the receiver of the assignment. So me here is indirect object. He wrote the letter for her. He is the subject. Wrote is the verb. Letter is the direct object. Okay. What he wrote? He wrote a letter. And for whom he wrote the letter? For her. So her here is the receiver of the letter. It is indirect object. So direct object will be in the accusative case and the indirect object will be in the dative case. So here the object's indirect object, it is in the dative case, and direct object, it is known as accusative case. Fine. I hope you understand it, that indirect object, it is in dative case and direct object, it is accusative case. Okay. So next we have possessive case. Possessive case, it shows belonging. Means when a noun change its form to show that it is closely related to something else. For example, Ram's honesty, John's books. This is Suhani's pen. Means when a noun, when it shows belongingness, okay, belongingness to something else, that is known as possessive case. We can use apostrophe or apostrophe s with the noun to show possession. Like Ram here is a noun and here we are using apostrophe with s. So Ram's honesty. Pen. Whose pen is this? Suhani's pen. So Suhani is a noun. This is Suhani's pen. Suhani is a noun. Here we are using apostrophe s. So the last one is vocative case. Vocative case means it is used to show direct address. That is to show when you are talking to somebody or something directly. For example, hi John, I know Aryan. Here, name of John and Aryan that must be separated from the rest of the sentence with the comma. Okay, and the comma before, here the comma is used with John and Aryan, and it shows that John and Aryan are being addressed. Okay, dear students, and we know that there are two more kinds of noun, that are countable and uncountable nouns. So countable nouns are those which we can count, and uncountable nouns are those which we cannot count. Thank you.